Good morning children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Second standard subject mathematics. Dear children, in previous class we learned numbers from 1 to 100. Now let us continue to learn the numbers 101 to 200. Write these numbers in your classwork from 1 to 200 and also write number names from 1 to 100. Dear children, in the last class we learned before, after and between numbers. Let us review before, after and between numbers. Children, observe this picture carefully. In this picture you can see cabbage, brinjal and potato. What is the position of the cabbage? Yes children, cabbage is before the brinjal. What is the position of the potato? Yes children, potato is after the brinjal. Now tell me, what is the position of the brinjal? Yes, the brinjal is between the cabbage and potato. The brinjal is between the cabbage and potato. Now before numbers. Before numbers means when we count backward from the given number, we get the number before. Yes children, before numbers means previous numbers. Before numbers means previous numbers or backward numbers. Example, the ball is above the 100. Which number comes before 100? Yes, 99. The number before 100 is 99. That is called predecessors. After numbers. When we count forward from the given number, we get the number after it. Which number comes after 338? Yes. Yes children, the number after 338 is 339. The after number is also called successors. Between numbers. Let us recollect the between numbers. Numbers that come in between any two numbers are called the between numbers. Numbers that come in between any two numbers are called the between numbers. You can see the numbers here. 222, 223, 224. Which number is between them? Yes children, the number between 222 and 224 is 223. All this we have learnt in previous classes. Now in this class, let us learn about standard form, expanded form and comparing numbers. What is called standard form or short form? When we add the expanded number, we get the short form. When we add the expanded number, we get the short form. What do you mean by expanded form? Writing the number as the addition or sum of the place value of its digits is called expanded form. We will learn to write the standard form or short form. Now observe this. 900 plus 80 plus 4. It is expanded form. 9 is in 100 column, 8 is in the tens and 4 is in ones column. So we can write this as 984. It is the standard form. 400 plus 20 plus 0 is the expanded form. 4 is in 100 place, 20 is in tens place and 0 is in ones place. We write this number as 420. Another one example, 600 plus 0 plus 1 is the expanded form. Now observe children, 6 is in 100 place, 0 is in tens place, 1 is ones place. We write this in standard form as 601. Now we will learn to write the numbers from standard form to expanded form. 903 is the short form or standard form. The place value of 9 is 900. The place value of 0 is tens place. The place value of 3 is ones place. 903. Now we can write 903 in its expanded form as 900 plus 0 plus 3. Let us learn few examples of standard and expanded form. 421. The place value of 4 is 100. The place value of 2 is tens place. 1 is ones place. 400 plus 20 plus 1 is the expanded form. 421 is the standard form. 400 plus 20 plus 1 is expanded form. 421 is the standard form. Another one example is 125. The place value of 1 is 100. The place value of 2 is tens and the place value of 5 is ones. 100 plus 20 plus 5 is the expanded form. 125 is the standard form. 359. Now tell me children, what is the place value of 3? The place value of 3 is 100 place. The place value of 5 is tens place and 9 is ones place. 300 plus 50 plus 9 is the expanded form. 359 is the short form. Another example, here is the number 480. 480 is the short form. Now we will write this expanded form. The place value of 4 is 100 place. So we will write 400. The place value of 8 is tens place. So we will write 80. 8 tens means 80. The place value of 0 is ones place. We can write this number as 480 equals 400 plus 80. Now you see this example. 800 plus 70 plus 5 equals, this is expanded form. Now you should write this in short form. The place value of 8 is 100, 7 is tens place, 5 is in ones place. Now you can write 800 plus 70 plus 5 as 870. Let us, here are some examples in your textbook. Write each number in the standard form. 110 plus 1 equals 11. 5 tens plus 3 ones equals 53. 7 tens plus 8 ones equals 78. 2 tens plus 0 ones equals 20. 3 tens plus 6 ones is 36. 9 tens plus 9 ones equals 99. Another main, write each number in tens and ones. It means you should write in expanded form. 39 equals 3 tens plus 9 ones. 72 equals 7 tens plus 2 ones. 54 equals 5 tens plus 4 ones. 63 equals 6 tens plus 3 ones. 26 equals 2 tens plus 6 ones. 94 equals 9 tens plus 4 ones. Let us move to the next topic, comparing numbers. Comparing numbers means when a number is smaller than another, we say that it is lesser than the other number. Example, 7 is less than 9 and 9 is less than 12. Now, let us learn the symbol of greater and lesser than. Now, let us learn the symbol of greater and lesser than and equal sign. Open side. Open side, it looks like crocodile mouth. Open side always shows the bigger number side. Closed side always shows lesser or smaller side. Smaller number side. There is equal sign. It is used to show when both the numbers are same. Here are two numbers 32 and 27. Which number is greater, 32 or 27? If the tens place of a number is greater, then that number will be greater than the other one. Here 3 tens are greater than 2 tens. Therefore, 32 is greater than 27. Which number is greater, 78 or 74? The tens are same, so we need to compare the ones. The number with more ones is greater. Now tell me, which is the greater number, 4 or 8? Yes children, 8 is bigger or greater number. Therefore, 78 is greater than 74. There. Let us learn. Which number is greater, 14 or 12? As the tens are same, we need to compare ones. The number with more one is greater. Here 4 is greater than 2. So 14 is greater than 12. Next example. Which number is greater, 383 or 356? As the 100 are same, now we need to compare tens. 383 is greater than 356. There is an exercise in your textbook. 34 and 34. Both the numbers are same. So we should use equal sign. 34 is equal 34. 34 is equal to 34. 40 is lesser than 70. 90 is lesser than 91. 55 is lesser than 65. 48 is lesser than 84. 46 is greater than 42. Home assignment. Complete the exercise in your textbook. Thank you.